Hi traders, this is the little intro of my trading station. Zsolt here, beginner trader only in the paper trading so far using TD Ameritrade, which is it's being set up as close to visually match the desks as possible. So what I see on the guys' monitors in the chat room, it remains familiar and not as alien as the default TD Ameritrade Think or Swim setup. What you can see here is a adjustable standing desk, standard 2-monitor setup, and the platform here, as I mentioned, is a TD Ameritrade. My setup currently is the chat room is happening on the right hand side, but underneath that window I have my main TD Ameritrade window, and on the left hand side I'm monitoring 4 stocks picked from the watch list. What you can see is a very simplified layout as I'm learning from Andrew and the rest of the guys. You've got just the volume, you've got the 9, 20, 50, 200 and the VWAP. What you can see here is that on purpose I always hide my account info, and also what you can see here, I'm just going to do it now, I hide the position summary, so that helps me prevent even attempting to trade my P&L and just trying to utilize what I have been learning. You can see the watch lists on the left hand side for the 5 different windows. One here of course, and the other 4 here, so I can use the exact same list for every, and just select the stock that I want to see in each of them. At the bottom you can see the SPY, so I can track it if I try to trade something that closely follows it. Basically, besides the 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute and 15 minute charts, you can see my order entry here, the level 2, which of course I cannot really read right now, but I'm learning. What else can I show you here? I think this is it pretty much. Very simple. I try to leave it clean, and everything is easy to reach. Two more things actually. Just perhaps some other beginners are also watching it. My number one priority before I enter the trade, of course, is to set up my stop loss, visualize where it's going to be, and also my target. Just to avoid using the mental stop loss and eliminate the risks that come with it, what I did here, you can see my order entry. I've got a couple of presets. I've got the 10-cent stop loss and the 20. If I click on the 10, you can see that if I buy 10 shares, then immediately I'm going to have a 10-cent stop loss submitted, so it's going to be very hard to miss, I hope. This is something that I would very strongly recommend to make it a habit, because it really helps preventing a account blow up. And another thing, you can see that I have my buy, sell, and the rest of my buttons. The flatten now is my get me out of here escape button, and what I did here, TD Ameritrade is pretty poor when it comes to shortcuts, but for the flatten now you are able to assign one, and I did the control and minus. So when I'm in the trade, I'm a lefty, I'm using my my mouse or my Wacom, and I can keep clicking on sell every 10, every 20, depending on the price action and what I feel is right. And at the same time, I simultaneously hold my two fingers on the control and minus. So if something starts going against me viciously, I just hit it and I'm out. So that's it, guys. Please hit me up if you have any questions, advice. It would be very much welcome. And I'm looking for people to talk within the chat room, just as trader buddies, etc. Thank you for watching. Bye now.